y'all. I thought I'd do a really quick video about this new collection I just got an email about. If you are like me and you missed out on the Louis Vuitton collection that came out a few years ago, I believe it was Grace Cullington collection, the Catogram collection, I have been so sad about missing that collection. I still hunt secondhand sites looking for pieces of it, and they are just things I can't get my hands on. So I wanted a bandeau from that. I wanted the kirigami pouch set. There were so many items, and unfortunately, I just dropped the ball. And then my husband tried to get me some, and he also dropped the ball as well. So then I got this email about meeting the creatures, and oh my God, you guys, this just looks awesome. So it's not just cats and dogs. There's some little chickies in here too. It's just freaking adorable. I'm dying, really. So I literally think I'm gonna buy a little pouch. I've been carrying my pochette accessoire in Damia Azure for the summer to the dog park to I'm walking my dog. So my little pretentious booty needs a new bag to take to the dog park, and I think this one might be the one I'm going to get. So we're going to look at these and see what might make sense. So these camera bags are just adorable. There's 49 bags in all, and right now it's Labor Day weekend. There's an extra 15% off. So yeah, they're just, I don't think I want anything in the signature fabric, but let's do a quick view of this one real quick. This one just looks so much like the pochette accessories, the multi-pochette, the little key pouch up there. But it's definitely so cute.